Yes po, good afternoon. I'm here and I'm here in Tramway. This is Winners Island Fellowship anniversary at 11th year anniversary. So I'm Pastor JB. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. This is my friend Bishop. Hi Bishop.
Hello.
Oh, yun. Bishop Nelson Parbas from Australia. Okay, so this is my friend, the man of God, Bishop. Yun, so ka-winners, I'm celebrating here at 11th year anniversary. I'm Winners Island Fellowship International Ministry. So nandito po kami para mamaya hindi po ako makapag-video. At least ngayon ay nandito po at makita natin yung place, no, ng sasagawang anniversary ng Winners Island. So 11 years na po ito at marami na pong mga ministry. Good afternoon, Bishop Chris. Marami na po itong mga ministry, marami na siyang mga achievement ang Winners Island in behalf our Bishop Chris Barrios and family, na marami na pong naitatag na mga outreach, mga satellite churches, the Philippines and international. So kaya tinawag po itong Wi-Fi or Winners Island Fellowship International Ministry. So for the meantime, yun lamang po yung mga karagdagan nating pag-uulat dito. And please like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Real Instagram, and Bishop Chris. Bishop Chris. Bishop Chris. Can I interview? Pwede ka po ma-interview, Bishop?
Check no, speak.
Yun. Busy po. Busy si Bishop Chris Barrios ng Winners Island Fellowship International Ministry, at kausap po yung si Bishop Nelson Parbas. So yan lang po mula dito sa Pasay City, Tramway, Philippines. At mamaya-maya po ay magumpisa ang activity, magumpisa ang praise and worship and iba pang mga aktibidad na ginagawa po o gagawin dito po sa lungsod ng Pasay sa Tramway Restaurant. Yun lamang po at marami pong salamat. So muli po ay please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Yung ating pong TikTok, meron po tayong 2,000. Yung ating pong Reel, meron tayong 3,000 followers. Sa ating YouTube channel, meron po tayong 238 subscribers. So marami pong salamat and God bless po sa atin pong lahat.
Back button with tab again to stop.